Hi, my name is Danica. Selecting the right realtor is vitally important to the success of selling your property. As a top 1% agent, I've learned understanding the problem of selling property is 95% of the solution. Many sellers think they should list their property with the agent who bids the highest and actually purchases the listing. However, that's not the best way to sell your property. You should list your property with the agent that gives you the most effort with the best results. Let's take a look at how my comprehensive marketing plan will sell your property. You have two important decisions to make when you put your property on today's market. First, who will market your property, and second, deciding on the highest price your property will actually sell for. As an experienced real estate professional, I have the knowledge, tools, and technology to help you establish the best asking price for your property. After you accept my marketing plan and agree to list your property with me, I will prepare a detailed current market analysis on your property. In order to compete successfully with other properties on the market, the appearance of your property is extremely important. Teamwork makes the dream work. I believe the best way to sell your property is to work together with my team of professionals and you to successfully sell your property. I guarantee no one will work harder and more professionally to get you the highest price in the quickest, most convenient time frame. In fact, if I do not do everything I promise in my written plan of action, you may have your listing back. That's why I guarantee no one is more dedicated and committed to selling your property than my team and I.